Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So I'm here looking at this gorgeous apartment, and we're actually on the 6th floor, amenity floor, and we're looking at the pool. This is a really pretty pool. It's actually very large. You can see it extends out way that way, probably about 70 feet is my guess. There's a lot of pretty seating out here. And then, you know, you've got beautiful views of the city all around. So, very pretty pool experience. The more I walk into it, the more I like it, by the way. I love seeing this cabana. And I love seeing these floor, just these chairs, these tables, and then there's some grilling stations over here. And then, of course, you do have some of the greatest views ever, just right here. This is pretty incredible. So, beautiful pool, great experience in this high-rise. And by the way, there's the high-rise in the background right there. You'll be in one of those apartments most likely. You know, if you face this amenity floor. Okay, so that's the pool, and now we're gonna go. We're gonna talk a little bit more about the area. And we're gonna peer this way in the next video. If you have questions at any time, or you're ready to be in a beautiful high-rise experience in Dallas, hey, there's no better time than now. Go ahead and send me a text and just say, Grant, I love what I'm seeing. I want to set up a tour. We can start with a virtual tour. We can do a live tour. It's always 100% free, and we'll get you the best deal on your new high-rise apartment here in Dallas.